Oh boy, Fornasetti. Who's a fan of Fornasetti? The candle maker, the candle brand who's been making these most beautiful, gorgeous candles, now are launching 3 fragrances. So Fornasetti is launching, or are launching, 3 fragrances. It's an Italian brand. These are the first 3 fragrances that are being launched by this brand for the first time. But their candles, as I said, are the most amazing jars. They come in the most beautiful jars with those kind of visuals of women and kind of hand-drawn and colorful, you know, painting and things like that on them. So I'm quite curious to see these fragrances. But let me know if you're familiar with this house, the candle maker, the candle brand. Put a comment down below and let me know if you've heard about their fragrances or if this is the first time. If you're curious about these fragrances, which one sounds the best to you? So the first one I'm going to talk to you about is Frutto Proibito, most likely forbidden fruit is what it's translating to. So we've got Ebony, Myrrh, Opoponax, Oud, Sandalwood, Geranium, Carnation, Galbanum, Jasmine, Petitgrain, Black Raspberry, Blackcurrant, Rhubarb, Tomato Leaves. So forbidden fruit sounds really, really great. I like the idea of the Ebony and Myrrh together, the Oud and the Opoponax, so it's resinous, it's ambery, lots of woods and aromatics, and finally we get to the fruits. So these are the forbidden fruits, the black raspberry, the blackcurrant, maybe even the rhubarb, because to me it's kind of like a fruity note, even though it's kind of vegetal fruity together. And then the fact that it's vegetal and they also have the tomato leaves in here, that one really, really sounds exciting. So I'm curious to get my nose on it. The only thing that really kind of concerns me about this fragrance is the oud. And as I keep saying, a bit bored of oud, but I don't think the oud is the star of this fragrance. I like the fact that it's mixed in with some notes. It's basically there to help the fragrance along. But if it's going to be all about the oud, it might get boring to me. But let me know if this Frutto Proibito sounds great to you. But the next fragrance from Fornasetti is Immaginazione. Immaginazione is what it's spelled, so it's imagination. So it's vanilla, rosewood, oakmoss, cedar, cyclamen, jasmine, tuberose, Ylang-Ylang, Aniseed, bergamot, blood orange, Sicilian, grapefruit. This one, it's okay. This one doesn't sound as exciting, but aniseed is the part of the fragrance that sounds the most exciting. I'm not 100% sure where the aniseed will end up. Is it the most prominent note? Is it something that's just there to give it an accent or something? So this one I'm not as excited about. But of course, as I always say, sometimes I'm not excited about a fragrance and I'm excited about another one more. But then again, the one that I'm not excited about turns out to be the better one of the one that I wasn't, you know, kind of a thing. So curious to get my nose on all 3 of these fragrances. I'm a big fan of their candles and I'm really, really looking forward to these fragrances. But the third one is one that I'm quite excited about as well. Giardino Secreto, so Secret Garden. Tonka beans, lavender, geranium, juniper, thyme, cedar, patchouli, vanilla, amber, myrrh, oakmoss, oud, and sandalwood. So they're using the myrrh and the oud again in this third fragrance, and it's once again the one that I'm excited about. And this one to me sounds a bit like a fougere, tonka, lavender, geranium, even juniper, and thyme. Kind of masculine aromatic notes. Tonka beans generally in the base notes for a fougere. Patchouli comes in as well. So it kind of seems maybe like a warm, amber, woody fougere. Who knows? But Giardino Secreto or Secreto sounds really great. So the two fragrances that I'm excited about are Frutto Proibito and Giardino Secreto. But I'm curious to get my nose on all 3 of them, as I'm really, really looking forward to seeing what Fornasetti does with fragrances. Most likely, though, these are going to be luxury, expensive fragrances because their candles are on the pricey side. So I don't know who's going to carry them, but here in San Francisco, we've got ZGO Perfumery carrying Fornasetti candles. And I believe Fornasetti also redid all their candles recently. I know Twisted Lily is their parent company is the distributor for Fornasetti, and they cleared out all their candles and they brought them back as a new redone candles. So makes sense that they're kind of now entering the fragrance market. But let me know which one of these sounds the best to you. The Frutto Proibito, Immaginazione, or Giardino Secreto. And if you're a fan of the brand or not, or if this is the first time you're hearing about Fornasetti in general. It's, again, a candle maker from Italy. I've always been really, really intrigued with their jars. The candle jars are most amazing. They look really great in the house. And again, now I'm really looking forward to Fornasetti fragrances. But lastly, I'm not so excited about their bottles. Their bottles seem a bit boring, not as attractive as their candles, you know? What do you guys think? Let me know. Put a comment down below. But either way, thanks so much for tuning in today. See you guys later. Bye-bye.